Alright. And we recording. Alright. We'll see, y'all. This is a ecstasy. How to sound like how to sound like ecstasy video that me and my twin, we was just having fun on the song, but then we just made an ecstasy preset. Well, I made the ecstasy preset and he just used the shit. So see, and this nigga messaged me now. So yeah. I'm gonna say out his part and I'm gonna give y'all the presets. So yeah.
You're not important, nigga. Bitch, I get plenty, bella bitty with me. I'm tryna feel on your body low. No, we don't gotta let nobody know. Tell her me, leave a tab on your toe. She tryna kick it, I'm telling her no. Why niggas ain't man, I don't know. Why niggas ain't, I don't have a clue. Lost in my head, I don't know where to go. Don't need your help, baby, I need my juice. Yeah, juicy.
Fuck Tulu.
Yes, we made a song about juice. We was not taking this shit serious. But I'm gonna show the new Fray adlib.
Nobody know.
Alright. And I'm gonna say out a little Vox.
Bitty with me. I'm tryna feel.
Alright. This is a short preset video. I'm only gonna give y'all 3 presets. That's because I've been slacking. But I'm gonna put his IG in the description for y'all too if y'all wanna tap in. But yeah.